Hi guys, this is Harleen and today I'm going to introduce Super Seed to you, which is chia seed. But before that, do subscribe and like my channel. So guys, this is a seed which is of a foreign seed, and this is not available by any other name in the market. And do not confuse chia seed with sabza seed. Chia seed is a seed which contains a lot of fiber. So this is a very essential drink which you can have every morning, and this seed will help you with a lot of benefits, like having it you can even lose like 4 to 5 kgs in a week's time. And this I'm telling you because I have tested in on my own self, and I have lost around 600 grams of weight in 3 days. So I have checked my weight in today morning, and I have checked my weight last evening also, because it makes a difference. Sometimes empty stomach in the morning weight is less, and if you take if you have your dinner and then you take your weight, then the weight is more. So especially for that reason I have checked my weight even last evening and today morning. So I have lost around 5 to 600 grams of weight. So you also, it's not like that you have chia seeds and you will lose weight. What like, this is good for people who are dieting and doing everything, still they are not losing weight, they are exercising also. Like for me, my weight was 60 kg, and it was not going lower down to that. So with this, this is helping me, this is nice. So with the help of this, I am losing few grams, and maybe I'll get down to 60, which I really wanted to, and I really do a good workout. Still I was not losing weight. I maintain my diet, I eat healthy, and I don't eat junk food. So this is what is acting as a magic. So this is helping me a lot, and you can even try it. So but you need to maintain your diet, you need to exercise, which is very important. Without that, losing weight is it cannot be magical anytime. So do everything. If you are following a healthy regime, good lifestyle, just add this to your diet and it may work as wonders. And losing weight, and it has a lot of antioxidants in it. Omega 3, which is very good, will help you in glowing your skin, growing and growing. So this is a very nice thing. Please do use it and just let me know. Tag me with your recipes. Also, I'll make my drink and I'll show you like how I'm having this. Guys, this is 1 spoon of overnight soaked chia seeds, to which I'm taking it in a other glass, and then I'm adding a lukewarm water to this, and then I will put some lemon and honey in this. This is very good remedy for people who are having constipation, and also this drink will keep you full for some time, so you won't feel hungry, and again it will increase your metabolism. So this drink is really full of vitamins and antioxidants, which are really going to help you. So one of the most essential drink which you should add it to your diet. Alright, so this is a drink and it's ready to drink now. So here's my drink. I generally have it every morning. So this is morning time and I'm having it empty stomach, and I feel better. Anything which is healthy, any citric thing you should have first thing in the morning, and it has a lukewarm water also. So this is definitely going to help you. In fact, this has helped me. So just try this and tag me, and you can even follow me on Instagram. Alright, I'll mention my details over there. So you just try this and do let me know that how it has made changes to your body. Also guys, you can just gulp it out, and if you like, you don't need to chew the chia seeds, okay? You can just gulp it. It will increase your metabolism, and again it will keep your stomach full because it has got a lot of fiber. So this is going to really help you. Also, women who are pregnant women or breastfeeding women should not use it. Alright, so do add this to your diet. And again, like, if you want to have this in any other form, you can even add this, add this to your curd, some of the chia seeds, but that should also be soaked in water at least for 30 minutes. So then only you can have. After consuming chia seed, you should not have anything till 30 minutes. Alright, till next 30 minutes, don't have anything. So try this and do let me know. And for all the updates regarding fitness, healthy lifestyle, anything, do subscribe my channel. Alright, thank you.